Alright, viewers, starting off we have this 56-inch palco industrial. These are very cool fans. They're kind of uncommon. Cast iron 2-piece motor, aluminum blades. This one's an older one with plastic canopy still. You can see the seam for the two cast iron parts meet right there. There's a tag. And relabeled Breeze Industries from Deerfield Beach, Florida. So, cool fan. Needs some cleaning up, but yeah. So, anyway, let's go ahead and go put this fan, find the knob, let's put it on low speed. Full low on my Dayton 3-amp speakers. Let me go over here, man. Sorry. Better lighting right here. Very slow, aesthetic low. Right now we're drawing 0.4 amps. Let's go ahead and go to medium-ish speed. Let's see what that looks like. Good medium speed. That's at 0.8 amps. Already actually moving some good air. Let's go ahead and go full blast. This thing flies in high speed. Drawing 1.07 amps, so it's a 1 amp fan. Yeah, that puts out air. As I said, I own a 36-inch fan like this called palco, so I just need to find the 48-inch if they made them. The other reason this is an older fan, besides the plastic canopy, is it has an oil-filled capacitor, which still seems like it's good because it seems about the right speed for this fan. So, yeah, very impressed, very happy. I mean, I should be. I drove all the way to Naples, Florida, and paid $50 for this thing. The motor shape kind of reminds me of one of the very first generation gold lines, or orange lines, I guess what they were called. Probably gonna see about testing maybe 2 or maybe 3 more fans tonight. See how the daylight proceeds, and yeah. When I got out, the bearings were making a little bit of a hiss. I've since put some WD-40 and some of the WD-40 wet lithium mix in there, and she's now completely quiet. The only thing you hear vibrating is the plastic canopy, and it's because of how it's mounted. Not perfect, but it is what it is. It's also not pressed against the ceiling. So, yeah, I'm very happy to have found this. There we go. Thanks for watching.